Hello guys, welcome back to HKR Studios. Last day, we have got one massive news from the Micromax company. Yes, today in this video, I'll be discussing about the two new phones launched by the Micromax company. That is Micromax In Note 1 and Micromax In 1P. So first of all, let us check out the price and features of In Note 1.
In Note 1 has got a powerful processor called MediaTek Helio G85, which is exclusively used for the best gaming performance and experience. Next comes the display. Micromax In Note 1 has got 6.7-inch punch-hole display which has ultra-wide Full HD resolution. When we check out the camera, it has got 48 megapixel AI quad camera. It also includes night mode and front camera is of 16 megapixel and its wide angle selfie camera. In Note 1 has got 5000 mAh battery and has got 18 watt fast charger having reverse charging. This phone will support 5 GHz Wi-Fi which is one of the fastest connection you can get. When we look out the design, it has got an X design at the back and it's mainly available in two colors. The first color is green and second one is white, which is also called rainbow white by the company. Now let's check out the price. In Note 1 is available in two prices. The first one, that is of 4GB RAM and 64GB memory, is priced at Rs 10,999, whereas the second variant, which is of 4GB RAM and 128GB memory, is priced at Rs 12,499. Next comes In 1P. This phone is the budget champion in series. In 1P has got all the quality features in a minimal budget. Let's check it out one by one. In 1P has got MediaTek Helio G35 processor which ensures lag-free experience. When we check out the battery, it has got 5000 mAh battery with 10 watt fast charger with Type-C cable. It has got 6.5-inch mini drop HD display, so we can say that Micromax In 1P is visually beautiful. When we check out the camera, it has got AI dual camera having 30 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the front camera is of 8 megapixel. When we look out the design, Micromax In 1P has got a metallic matte finish which makes it so stylish and are available in three colors, that is blue, green and white. Now let's check out the price. In 1P is available in two prices. The first one, that is of 2GB RAM and 32GB memory, is priced at Rs 6,999, whereas the second variant, which is of 4GB RAM and 64GB memory, has got Rs 7,999. So all in all, we can say that the new Micromax In series will be a competitor for all the phones present in this budget. Micromax In Note 1 will be released on November 24th, 2020 on Flipkart and Micromax official website, whereas Micromax In 1P will be released on November 26, 2020 on the same platform.
These are the basic features of these two phones. As you all know, Micromax company was not active for the past few years. So I hope this new Micromax In series will ensure the return back of the company. So as you all guys, I am also very excited of these two new products released by the Micromax company. So that's all for today's video. If you have enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos.